Hello, San Miguel Archangel Missions here. We're in Winter Hill, the village of Winter Hill, and we're with the Ramirez family, Roni and Meldra, Jasmine, who's only 2 months old, Daniel, who's 8 years old, and Claudia, who's 5 years old. And they're from Guatemala, and they currently live with their parents and the rest of the family. And we're going to show you where they currently live and show you the little piece of land where they are requesting help for a new home. Would you like to say hello?
Hello.
Okay, so go inside. And I'm just going to show you. This is the house where they live with the rest of the family, but they just have one room in the house. I'm going to show you. The little rust-colored bed is where all the 2 children sleep together, and then Roni and his wife sleep in this bed. It's they have a place for their clothes. Again, there's wooden windows here, and then they have a little stove and a little kitchen, I guess, where they cook. But this is it. This is one room. That's where all 5 live each day. Ronnie's a hard worker. He works in a factory that makes blocks. And I'm going to show you where we're going to build the house. It's on the same property. It's just over here. Right here. It's actually a really pretty property. We're going to build in this spot right here, and they will need a septic system. So we're requesting your help for this family, just to give them a safe place to live. Thank you very much.